Hello everyone, I am Sushil Sunil Mahajan.
I am Lekhraj Wagh. I am Himanshu Avinash Chaudhary.
I am Vinayak Paspande.
My name is Dinesh Patil.
As we see in day-to-day life, there are lots of accidents happen in world. There is one death in every 4 minutes due to road accidents in India. Over 1,37,000 people were killed in road accidents in 2013 alone. According to report on countries, road accidents and deaths, over 48,000 people died in crashes caused due to overtaking and diverging in 2014. To reduce this kind of accidents and deaths, we are trying to introduce green indicator system for vehicles. In green indicator system, we are trying to increase coordination between vehicles and drivers. So to provide a very safe overtaking and diverging without causing accidents.
With the help of IICDC, IIM Bangalore, Texas Instrument and collaborating with another vendor companies and with the help of Government of India, Automobile Association of India, this will be a venture. There is no such low cost solution exists for this problem. There is no competition for this product till the date because it is a new idea. This product can save thousands of lives and have capability to avoid accidents, so it is valuable as airbags are valuable to customers.
Target market for product is old automobile manufacturing companies as well as existing vehicle holders. For this product, government approval may required. It is very easy to convert ideas into ventures by just launching system as a safety device. Near about Rs 3,000 requires per product and a assembly plant with parts supply requires before it get in front of customers. Innovation is difficult to protect but easy to monetize. This idea is very unique as no such kind of ideas is proposed till date. Whole team is aware about potential customers and requirements, and with this team can easily accept changing circumstances and new information. As per scenario changes, technology involved in system get changed. It is simple to provide product to customer by help with Indian automobiles and manufacturing and part sellers. Distribution and intermediary can get 5% of product value. Also they will promote the system. There will be Six Sigma involvement. As per that, more than 99% product will be viable. On successful application and trial, user experience can be analyzed and we are very sure that this can provide very good user experience.